Guys, I'm Charlie Samuel and today I'm going to show you some seriously cool hairband hairstyles. Hairbands are the new it hair accessories at the moment. Now there are many available in the market and I believe there is a cool girl way to style each one of them. So stick around and I'll show you how. Place the hairband like this. Now take the section in the front. Leave a little bit of hair to frame your face. Take the hair towards the back and loop it through the hairband from the top. Repeat the same on the other side. Now take both the loops and secure it with a bobby pin in the center. As a tip, always choose the right hairband according to the hairdo. Place the hairband on your head like this. Start taking small sections from the sides. Take it through the hairband from the top and pull through. Keep doing this and adding more sections all the way till the back. Repeat the same on the other side. Secure it together in the center with a bobby pin. Take a middle parting. Place a tiara hairband on your head like this. Make a bun according to your hair length. Since my hair length is a bit short, I like to twist my hair into a bun. Use an invisible pin to tuck in flyaways and you're done. So I hope you found these hairstyles worth giving a shot, and now these suit all hair types and hair lengths, whether you have short hair, medium hair or long hair. If you do try them out, do let me know in the comment section below. Like, share and subscribe to BeBeautiful and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye!